affected areas. Meghalaya Tourism Minister Paul Lyngdoh, addressing recent tourism and transport issues, stated that the government remains open to resolving concerns raised by stakeholders. He mentioned the ongoing discussions with the official committee regarding the demands of the All Khasi Meghalaya Tourist Taxis Association, AKMTTA, emphasizing that solutions will be explored in collaboration with all parties. The AKMTTA had submitted a 4-point demand to Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, urging the government to sign a reciprocal transport agreement with Assam.
Tourism have already had an engagement wherein the All Khasi Taxi Drivers Association were also invited and had participated just last week. So that was last week, and next week again the official committee is meeting the associations. See, our mind is still very open. They are talking to the official committee next week. Once those talks move forward, the committee will then apprise me of possible solutions, and I see nothing that can't be solved where this issue is concerned.
On tourism development, Lyngdoh highlighted